gets you excited? No, really, what gets you excited? Comment below and let me know. When it comes to finance, you know what gets me really excited? Credit cards. Yes, credit cards. There are so many benefits you can get by using credit cards the right way. I'm going to get into the details of one of my favorite credit cards that has some incredible benefits. I only use it a few times a month, but the benefits are amazing. I've read over 50 pages of benefits, so you don't have to, and I'm going to condense them for you in just a few minutes. Hi, this is Stacy. Welcome back to my channel. I am so glad you're here. I make videos about making money, saving money, investing, real estate investing, and credit cards. If these are topics you're interested in, please like and subscribe. Before I get into it, and this is just my opinion, here is how you must use credit cards. The first thing that you do on credit cards is you need to pay them in full every month. If you have credit card debt, get those suckers paid off. Do everything that you can, cut corners anywhere you can, and get them paid off. It's important to just spend on your credit card what you would be spending anyway. You don't want to get credit cards and then spend more than you would because you have it on a piece of plastic. Put everything on your credit cards that you can to get the benefits. Any of your normal expenses. Put your groceries and your cell phone bill and your internet, and anywhere that you go that takes a credit card, use a credit card. Make sure you have the money and make sure you pay it in full. It's so important to also make sure that you pay that bill on time. If you're paying interest on credit cards or late fees, you are not getting the benefits. So make sure that those are fees that you avoid. Not everybody's the type of person that can have a credit card and pay it off in full, or that could use a credit card and just use it for what they would normally spend money on and not use that temptation to buy other things. So if this is not something that you can do and you know yourself, don't use credit cards. So I'm going to go over a credit card that I use and I absolutely love. I only use it a few times a month and sometimes only once a month, but the benefits are unbelievable. This credit card is my Uber Barclays card. The first benefit is there is no annual fee, which means this credit card is free. It's completely free to get this credit card and you're not going to believe the benefits. If you spend $500 for the first 3 months, so only $166 a month, you're going to get $100 of Uber cash. You'll be able to use that for most Uber purchases. When you use this card for most Uber purchases, you're going to be getting 5% back Uber cash. You're also going to be getting 3% back for most restaurants and most travel-related expenses. There are plenty of credit cards where you can get 2% back for anything. Okay, so now for my favorite benefit on this card, and it is unbelievable. If you charge your cell phone bill to this credit card, you get free cell phone insurance. Yes, free. I use this credit card and I have my cell phone paid through the card each and every month and pay the card in full. This insures the cell phones on the plan up to $600 per phone, and you can make up to $1,000 claims per year. The deductible on this is only $25. Cell phone insurance can cost you $10, $20, $30 a month, and sometimes the deductibles are $100 or $200. I hope this is something that I'll never have to use. I really don't want my cell phone lost or stolen, but what a great benefit it is. This will save you money if you pay for cell phone insurance or if you lose your phone. So it is a win-win, and it is a no-brainer to get this card. The best part about that is the price. It is free, as in $0, as in totally free. That is awesome. The next benefit to this card is an extended warranty. This will double the manufacturer's warranty up to 1 year of many items that you purchase. You do have to either register for the warranty or keep your receipt and your billing statement. But again, this is free, so why not use it? The next benefit is identity theft coverage. If you get your identity stolen, they help you get it back. I've never had my identity stolen, and I really hope that I never have to go through that. I've talked to people that have, and it is a very time-consuming process to get your identity back. It's nice to have a team of people that will take care of that for you. If you ever had your identity stolen, leave a comment below so people can hear your experience. The next benefit is the concierge service. This is something that I've never used, but it sounds pretty cool. So you call anytime, 24 hours a day. The Visa Signature Concierge can help you find tickets to the top sports and entertainment events, book travel, make dinner reservations, and even help you find the perfect gift. To use the Visa Signature Concierge service, you call the phone number, and the cost of any goods or services provided by the concierge will be billed to your Visa Signature card. That's pretty cool. It's like having an assistant. This comes with travel and emergency assistance. If you have an emergency, you can just call the number. This also comes with trip interruption and trip cancellation insurance for up to $1,500. You just put your trip on the card and you've got the insurance. There are some exclusions. This also comes with baggage delay insurance. So if your bags are delayed more than 4 hours, you can get up to $100 a day for 3 days. I gotta just read some of the exceptions on the baggage delay because some of them are pretty funny. Essential items not covered by baggage delay include, but are not limited to, hearing aids, artificial teeth, dental bridges or prosthetic devices. Really? I'm thinking if I have a hearing aid or artificial teeth, they're gonna be in my ear or in my mouth or on me. Why would I check those? But for whatever reason, they have to list that. Some of the other ones I can kind of understand. They're not going to cover tickets, documents, money, securities, checks, traveler's checks, valuable papers, business samples, jewelry, watches, camera, video recorders, and other electronic equipment or recreational equipment. So basically, if you have any of those that you're traveling with and you can carry it with you because it's not too big, carry it with you. I can't imagine anybody checking money or valuable jewelry. You definitely want to keep that on you. Another benefit to this card is there's no foreign transaction fees. You also get travel accident insurance up to $250,000, and hopefully this is one that you will never need. This also comes with auto rental collision damage waiver. If you rent a car, you may not have to purchase the insurance from the rental car company if you use this credit card. Definitely want to double check, but it looks like you can save a lot of money that way. A lot of personal insurance companies already cover this, but not everybody has insurance that will cover a rental car. Definitely double check before you decline any coverage with the rental car company, but this can save you a lot of money if you don't need to purchase extra insurance from them. Another cool service they have on here is roadside dispatch. If you already have AAA, or your car comes with towing, or you have a warranty that has towing, or it's on your insurance policy, this is not something that you need. You have a phone number on here that you can call. There will be a charge if you use it, about $70 or so, but if you only need to call towing every few years, you can actually save some money and just use that as an emergency. You will need to look through quite a few pages to find the information on this, so if you think this is a service you might use, just stick that number in your cell phone. Some of the other benefits are a free FICO score, mobile app, 24-hour service, and you can manage your account online. So this is why I love and I am so excited about this credit card. I'm actually excited about quite a few of my credit cards and some of the benefits, and I'll be doing some more videos on those. So if you use credit cards to your advantage, leave me a comment below. If you'd like me to review a credit card and read through that 50 or 60 pages of benefits to summarize it, I'm happy to do that. It's the kind of thing I like to do in my spare time. So thanks for watching. Give it a like, give it a subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!